name is Jan, and the procedure that I had here at BayView Dental was full upper crowns. I had very yellow teeth, and it seemed like over time, the older I got and the older my teeth got, the yellower they got, and I just was not at all happy with my smile. So when I smiled, I tended to keep my mouth closed because I didn't want anybody to see my yellow teeth. It was embarrassing. I had been coming to BayView Dental for other dental work, and then I decided that I wanted my teeth whiter, and we discussed the procedures that I could do. Because I had so many caps, they couldn't just be whitened. They needed to be changed. So that was when we decided that the best procedure to do would be the 6 across the front, and then eventually the 2 on the sides. It was basically painless. I was just very happy with the whole procedure, and then redone again, and I don't remember having any discomfort at any point at all. It was really easy, and the result is just exactly what I wanted. Since the work's been done, I feel a lot more comfortable smiling. I didn't like anybody to see my smile, so I think I kind of tended to put my hand up a little bit in front of my face, and I don't have any problem smiling now. I've got a nice white smile thanks to BayView Dental. My smile is everything to me. I couldn't be happier with BayView Dental. They did exactly what I wanted, and I love my results.